Sometimes you got to get a little bit hands-on. Honestly, that's one of the reasons that we're here, to get people to trust the data. Seeing is believing, so we've brought some of our reliability engineers to your facility to do some training. In that controlled environment, when they can see a simulated fault on a piece of equipment and see real time in the data, what does that look like? It clicks in their head now. It's harder to do it whenever you're in a plant environment, but whenever you do it in that controlled environment, it makes it much more clear when you can introduce the fault and then see it right on the data. It really helps them to understand the value of that data. We brought a lot of our newer engineers. It helps them get connected to the KCF system, but really for us is getting that hands-on experience, seeing the introduced faults on the equipment, seeing it real time live on the data to help them understand how do you perform vibration analysis. We don't expect our engineers to be experts in vibration analysis, but we want them to be able to have that conversation with a vibration analyst and to understand why that vibration analyst wants to know those things. So instead of us having to keep asking questions back and forth, instead they're more proactive about it. It's helping them to be more invested into the system.